Hello everyone! Today I will demonstrate how to use the VLOOKUP function with approximate matching. Table 1 contains order data, order numbers, quantity of goods, and distance to the destination. Table 2 includes a discount scale based on the quantity of goods. Table 3 shows delivery costs depending on the distance, using the VLOOKUP function in Excel. You can automatically calculate discounts and delivery costs for orders, using data from tables 2 and 3 in the previous video. I explained in detail how to use the VLOOKUP function for exact matching. Now, I will show how to use the VLOOKUP function with approximate matching. Please pay close attention. We enter the VLOOKUP function as usual, specifying what we are looking for, where we are looking, from which column we need the data. And now, the main thing. We select true or enter the number 1. How approximate lookup works. When using approximate lookup, first column of the table must be sorted in ascending order for numbers or alphabetically for text. VLOOKUP first searches for an exact match. If no exact match is found, it searches for the nearest smaller value from the found value. It counts the required column and returns the result from the specified column to reinforce the material. I will show it again, this time for calculating delivery costs. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends. See you next time.